guys? Just on my morning walk, enjoying this waterfall behind me. As I always do, let's take a question really quick. It's the perfect time to do so. Hey Derek, big oof here. What? Okay, I made additions to my house without a permit years ago because of the long process to get one. Now I want to sell and I don't know what will happen. Help! Nick Ooferman. Well, Mr. Ooferman, I wanted to talk to you about that in a few minutes. Almost through this. Oh my God, that was so close. I have a few thoughts on that, but I'm in the middle of a walk, so why don't we go enjoy a walk together? All right, there's a few things that may or may not happen depending on the situation, depending on what exactly you did, what additions were actually made. But before that, let's go into something else. First question you need to ask yourself is, what type of addition you did? So, if you did a barn or if you did a detached garage, something that's not an actual living area, then you might not even need a permit and you might not need to worry about any of this, and the question that you have doesn't apply to you at all. If it is an addition that is a living space, then you might be asking yourself, okay, do I need to tear this down? Is there any fines that are associated with this? Short answer is yes, there is fines, and yes, you will most likely have to tear it down. You can try to go the route of just selling it, but I'm gonna be honest with you, the biggest problem here is when you sell the property, you're gonna actually attract a lot less buyers. Reason why is your buyers are wanting to buy a property that is in good condition and safe, right? So if you don't have a permit for the addition that you added that's a living space for them to live in, it's a 50-50 whether or not it was even done right. We don't know how safe it is. So they're gonna feel a little unsafe and they're gonna wanna see that permit when they write an offer on your property. So if you say, I don't have a permit for it, then they might back out and they might not even want your house at all. So with that said, there's three things you need to do. Well, 3 letters, all the same. Disclose, disclose, disclose. D. That's 4. Yeah! So when you go to fill out your property condition disclosure when you're selling, especially if you resided in the property, then you want to put in there, hey, there wasn't a permit for this project or whatever addition there was. That way, at least they know on the front end and the buyer doesn't waste your time and you don't waste theirs. So as your realtor, something that I will do personally is that I would help you go to the city planning. I'd probably call up there myself and I'd ask them, hey, this is the addition that was done. There was no permit involved. Is there gonna be a fee? If so, how much? And do I have to tear it down? If they say yes, you know, it sucks, but you might have to do that. Well, guys, if you've ever had any questions about additions, I hope this episode actually enlightened you on a few things. I thought it was a really good one. I hope you did too. If you guys have any other episodes that you want us to go over, like stuff that has to do with real estate, whether it's some shows for the other episodes, if it's something that you specifically want to know or have questions about, please comment below or DM me as soon as you get a chance, guys. Thank you again for joining us. Have a great rest of your day. We'll talk to you guys soon. There's people over there. Oh my God, like it slipped just a hair. Oh, that scared me. What, you want me to start with the well, Mr. Ooferman? Ooferman? Yeah. I know who Nick Offerman is, I get it. Okay. But when I say oof, it literally makes me want to go oof. So you got me. Well, Mr. Ooferman, I have a few things I'd go over with you as far as what, I don't know what even to say. I'm just kind of talking. Reverse. Yeah. Look at my handy dandy notepad. Blues Clues. So before I get into those, did you just laugh? So before I get into the middle of that, and it doesn't make sense. Before I get in the middle, no, why did I say in the middle? Look up in the light. All right, I'm back. Are you ready?
Oh, are you ready now, Derek?
Not really. I'm gonna get that bling now. Bling, bling. Well, I told him to put a diamond in it, so I did. Do I need to get rid of whatever addition that I did? Short answer, probably, yes. I don't know. That was dumb. It's just, let me do it. Ah! How's that go? That was good. All right. What else do I say?
Is that all you prepared?
I mean, kinda. All right, let's do it again. Because all of that made no sense. I don't know.